This is going to be just a short video in case you want the feature. It's not really a feature, it's just a little update to our drop system. So currently, no matter how much you drop, it turns into a trash bag, which is just to simulate items, right? But if you drop one as well, it also turns into a trash bag. So what we're just going to add is a way to drop, if it's a singular item, drop the item itself, the mesh itself. So let's just get right straight to that. The first thing you need is a mesh for your item, obviously. So I have one from Megascans here, firewood. I'm going to drop a singular item of wood, right? So you want to go over to your, if it's Megascans, remember to add collision to it. I'm just going to add a capsule on this one. Over on your dropped item, go to your event graph. And before we do our little delay here, I'm going to add a branch, and if it's true, it's going to go to delay. But the condition is going to be, we're going to get our items, we're going to break that open, we're going to get quantity and see if the quantity is greater than 1. If it's not great, if it's greater than 1, we're just going to use our default trash bag. However, if it is not greater than 1, so it's a singular item, we're going to get our items, we're going to break it open, we're going to get our defaults from our item, get our item info, break that open, and then we're going to get our static mesh. And just drag out your mesh from your draft items, and then set mesh, set static mesh. There we go. That's going into our false. The static mesh that we're going to set it to is the static mesh incoming from our item details. We need to set that up as well. So head over to, I'm going to use item wood. And you see that we have a static mesh here. So I'm going to set this up to be firewood. File and save that. Hit play. If we drop 3, it's going to drop the bag. If we drop 1, it's going to drop the singular. Anyway, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you want any more features added. I am running out of ideas. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.